Hi, this is Durga Prasad and my register number is VR15CS220. Today I am going to explain about a Java networks program, that is the uh, Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol. In short term, it is called as the Eigrp. So it is as same as the OSPF, but it is Enhanced Interior Gateway Routing Protocol is an advanced distance vector routing protocol. So OSPF is also is same way, but the OSPF will take much bandwidth to take the decisions, but this enhanced EIGRP will take less bandwidth and less time to automate the decisions. So it is used in computer network for automating routing decisions and configurations. OSPF will take, but it will take much time and much bandwidth will be wasted in that. So computer network has developed this EIGRP, and the command to enter into the EIGRP mode is router show IP EIGRP. So by using that we can enter check the details of EIGRP. Now let's see into the topology. Here this is the topology I am using, as I have used as it is I have used in the OSPF. So this same topology I am going to use in this EIGRP, and then here is the addressing table for the what I have used in this topology. So for the serial interface, I have given this IP addresses. For the fast Ethernet interface, I have given different, and for the PCA, PCB, PCBC, I have given different IP addresses. So according to this table, I have given the IP addresses to these topology. Here these three are the routers, and in order to enable the routers, as we all know that thing, we have to go enter into the we have to enable the router, and we have to enter into the global configuration, and then I have to give the IP addresses. If there is a clock, then I have to set the clock frequency in order to enter in, enable that routers statically. And then after that we have to go to the desktop, and I have to give the IP addresses here. So this is the IP addresses. I have given them statically, no, but not the dynamically. So statically I have given the static address. When we give the IP address, subnet mask will be avoided by that default, and then default gateway we have to enter as I have seen in that table. And then so in the same way here also I have given the IP addresses. This is the IP address, that is 192.168.3.3. So in order to check whether the topology is working normally or not, once we complete all the procedure of enabling the EIGRP mode and enabling all the routers, when it comes all green and enable the router, so when I enable all the EIGRP conditions, so then we can check whether it's working or not. So here we'll go on ping with the devices. So dot 168 dot, so I have given this IP address, and then it is trying to send 32 bytes of data, and first one is request timeout, and then so all the day remaining has been sent successfully. So only 25% plus, that will not cost much. So it's working properly. My program, this is how we can configure the AIGRP mode in Cisco packet tracer.